So this is our project for digital circuit class. This is Dance Revolution, which this is a game in which the player has to press the correct button at the correct location, and the score will count up if they press the right sequence of buttons. So yeah, so we implemented with let's start with the controller. We implemented with 4 buttons with pull down resistors. So if we press them, it will go high, so more like pull up resistors. And they go into the I/O bay JA, and we will use that signal and we will debounce the signal to implement our project. So inside this Basys3 FPGA, we implemented a graphic driver for VGA monitor. This monitor specifically because this monitor is 1280 and 1024 at 60 Hz. So we have to use a very faster clock than which is available on this one, which we explained it in the report. And we also had to use some combinational logic as well as some counters and a lot of registers to implement this game score logic. And as you can see, sometimes game score logic has delays. We intentionally introduced a delay because the score will count if the block is in this area. So if in this area, if the user press that button multiple times, which quite often happens, I don't want the score to count up indefinitely, so we delay the score counting up function to another time where there is not a lot of processing in the FPGA, because the FPGA also has to process these graphic drivers as well as the hardware generated rectangles here. I think that's it.
Yeah. Maybe an update.
So here's the demonstration for it. How about we reset this one? So this is reset it. We're starting from the beginning. We also have 2 difficulty levels, which you can select with a switch build on the Basys board. Yes. Oh, and we have to supply 3.3 volts to the controller, which we did it by the 2.3 volt output from Arduino. We can also do this from the FPGA I/O, but we don't want to interfere with the signals, and we don't want to complicate the circuit further by adding more signals. Yep. So one more thing about our project is that we also count the blank lines. So if there's a blank line, which is like no rectangle at all, in this case, and if the user didn't press any button during that duration, the score will count up. Yes, as you can see, we we designed this sequence as a 4-bit signal array, which have 256 depth. So we implemented as a read-only memory on Basys board. If the ROM addresses run out, we will start over from the 0th version of the ROM. So this game is really never ending. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.